Hello everyone. So, have you ever wanted to host a WordPress website for low cost with high scalability? Well, AWS is the best option for this. So, in this video, I'll show you how to create and install a WordPress instance. So, let's get started. Fire up your Chrome or your Firefox window. In the search bar, in the Google, search for AWS console. And you can select aws.amazon.com in the second link. And in this page you'll be seeing my account and sign into the console. Click on sign into the console. So if you already have an account with AWS, which I already have, it will be, you can sign in directly with by selecting the root user, which is displayed in the screen. Or if you don't have an account, you can create a new AWS account by clicking this. In that you should give your username, your password, your email ID, your phone number and your address, and also you should pay ₹1 using your credit card or your debit card. It's a one-time charge. And then when everything is done, you can just select root user and give in your email ID and click on next. Give your password. Sign in. So this is a AWS management console from where you can select our instance. So you can go to EC2 instance, you can select EC2 instance to go to the next page, or you can do one more thing. You can also select launch a virtual machine button, which is just below this EC2. You can select launch a virtual machine and it will directly take you to EC2. So under EC2 you can select, in the search bar, we want to install WordPress. So here you can select, in the search bar you can type in WordPress and click enter. So it will show that there's no result. So our WordPress comes under AWS Marketplace. So click on 40 results, or you can click on AWS Marketplace on the left side. Now we are redirected to WordPress certified by Bitnami and Automatic. You can see that here. You can select that is the one that you want. In the next screen, this is a page that shows us the hourly fees for the instance type T2 Micro. That is the one we will be going to select. Now you can skip this and go to continue, which is there in the bottom. So this is where we type our instance type. So we want to go with a free tier eligible one. That is second one, type 2 t2.micro. So select that and click on review and launch. If you want to configure an instance detail, you can do that, but I'll prefer you to not go there in the first time. So this is our review instance launch page. Here you can just review it by just, if there's anything you want to see, you can look into that and you can just launch it. Just don't do anything here, just go to launch. So this is a very important page. Here you should create our SSH key pair, which is very important for us to connect using our SSH client to our server. So down the road, this is very important. So you can choose an existing pair, or you can create a new key pair for this. So I'm going to create a new key pair and give a key pair name. The Alpha Geek. That's what I'm going to give, and download the key pair. Save this file and click on launch instances. So this is going to take some time, just 2 minutes. So it has come up. So in the launch status you can see that your instance is now launching. So you can just scroll down and select the view instances button, and you will be redirected to our dashboard, EC2 dashboard. So this is where you can see our current instance that we just created. We have our instance ID, our instance state, which is running right now, our public DNS IPv4 address, and everything else. So in the description box just down, you can see that the public IP is 3.22.97.35. That is the IP of our web page. That is a WordPress page that we have just created. So you can just copy that, put it in the browser, and you'll be redirected to our page. It might take a minute for resolving. So yeah, it has come up. So we have currently launched our WordPress page successfully. Now to set up this web page, you need credentials to log into the WordPress. So for that, there are two options. One is you can connect directly using the SSH key pair, and using an SSH client like a putty, you can use that to SSH into a server and retrieve the password. And the second method is to go to instances and right click on the instance, go to instance settings and go to get system log. You can view the password of the WordPress as a username as user or Ubuntu and the password in this page. You can scroll down and find the password. So that is all about installing WordPress on an Amazon AWS instance. So in the next video, I'll show you how to SSH using an putty, an SSH client, and using the SSH key pair that we just downloaded from the Amazon instance. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.